Every day, we come into contact with millions of germs unknowingly. They can get into our hands, also our personal items. When we bring items home, we might bring danger home. To better protect our homes and our loved ones, we'd like to introduce ACESO, a UV sanitizer that's built to kill germs on many of your personal items. Our unique, contactless design completely avoids any possible cross-contamination. Child-proof lid seals and locks to prevent any accidental opening. Embedded, powerful UV lights kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria off the surfaces of all items inside. Special coating and radiation shielding prevents UV leakage, protecting your skin and eyes. When disinfecting is done, ACESO automatically turns off the UV light before the lid unseals and opens.